Welcome back to Dollar Key. Today is Thursday, June 18th, 2026, and while the broader market is trying to find its footing, XRP is exploding off massive institutional adoption, and Bitcoin just caught a massive bid from the Federal Reserve. I'm breaking down exactly where the smart money is moving right now and giving you the top 10 crypto updates you need to trade this market. Let's get straight into the charts. Number 1. Bitcoin, BTC. Price surging to $65,600, up roughly 1.5% in the last few hours. Why it's moving? Federal Reserve Chair Kevin Warsh just officially held interest rates at 3.50 to 3.75% during his first FOMC meeting, sending a wave of relief through risk assets. Combine that with the fact that long-term holders absorbed a massive 125,000 BTC this month, and we are seeing a perfect storm for a serious upside continuation. Number 2. XRP. Price pumping hard to $1.21, up 2.0% today and nearly 9% on the week. Why it's moving? The massive news just broke that mastercard is now officially using the XRP ledger and Ripple's RLUSD stablecoin for financial settlements. Adding fuel to the fire, Ripple also just released an AI starter kit for developers, driving massive utility and real-world adoption into the network. Number 3. Ethereum, ETH. Price consolidating at $1,650, down approximately 1.6% over the last 24 hours. Why it's moving? ETH is struggling to hold on to its psychological support levels as capital temporarily rotates back toward Bitcoin following the Fed's rate pause. Despite the short-term bleed, long-term investors are heavily accumulating in this range as they seek alternative digital asset exposure. Number 4. Binance Coin, BNB. Trading at $589.16, taking a hit of 2.0% today. Why it's moving? Binance is facing fresh compliance turbulence under the EU's mica framework, sparking fears of service restrictions in markets like Greece. This regulatory overhang is completely overshadowing their recent network upgrade that just reduced transaction finality to a lightning-fast 0.65 seconds. Number 5. Solana, SOL. Price sitting at $80.50, experiencing a pullback of 1.8%. Why it's moving? Seardex just launched its highly anticipated binary options and prediction markets natively on Solana, which routes 40% of trading fees to token buybacks. However, the broader macroeconomic uncertainty is currently overriding this bullish catalyst, keeping short-term price action suppressed. Number 6. Dogecoin, DOGE. Slipping to $0.094, down nearly 2.8% on the day. Why it's moving? Meme coin liquidity is rapidly draining out of the major caps and flowing directly into hyped pre-sale projects like Alpha Pepe, which just completely sold out its 17th funding stage. Until retail volume returns to the legacy memes, Doge is going to struggle to reclaim that 10-cent milestone. Number 7. Hyperliquid, HYP. Holding steady at $72.50, trading essentially flat today. Why it's moving? Traders are using this asset as a safe harbor to take a breather and adjust their portfolios amidst the broader altcoin chop. Hype has established an incredibly strong technical support base here, perfectly absorbing any latent market volatility. Number 8. Cardano, ADA. Hovering near $0.43, bleeding down around 1.5%. Why it's moving? Cardano is getting dragged down by the wider smart contract sector slump as capital aggressively chases Bitcoin's momentum. Without any major network deployments scheduled for this week, buyers are hesitant to step in and catch the falling knife. Number 9. Shiba Inu, SHIB. Dropping to $0.00015, down 2.0% alongside the rest of the meme sector. Why it's moving? SHIB is falling victim to the exact same capital rotation as Dogecoin, with speculative traders hunting for higher multipliers in the microcap trenches. The token desperately needs a fresh injection of ecosystem news to reverse this short-term trend. Number 10. Tron, TRX, incredibly stable at $0.34, showing no major directional move. Why it's moving? Tron remains the undisputed king of global stablecoin transfers, processing massive daily volume regardless of what the broader market sentiment is doing. This pure underlying utility makes it one of the most insulated and resilient assets on the board right now. That's your market breakdown for June 18th. The institutional money is clearly making its move. So I want to know, are you buying the Bitcoin breakout or are you aggressively stacking altcoins like XRP today? Drop your strategy in the comments below. If this update gave you an edge, smash that like button and subscribe to Dollar Key so you never trade blind.